Hello, I'm John Blyler, Senior Instructor for the Hardware-Software Integration course at Portland State University. This is part of their Systems Engineering graduate program. In this first week of the course, in this first module, I've presented an overview of what we're going to talk about throughout the entire course. The first reading assignment deals with systems engineering failures, in particular failures that can be related to interconnect issues, interface issues, integration issues. This was part of a presentation that I made several years ago at Mentor Graphics Interconnect forum. I don't expect you to know everything in that presentation, but it'll provide you a flavor of what we're going to cover throughout the course. The second reading assignment and the third are chapters 5 and 6 respectively, are from Ben Blanchard's book on systems engineering. And these provide a good fundamental overview of the design process and the test and verification process. You know, since most of the students in this course have either a really good hardware background or a really good software, and they're having to learn the other part, I thought it would be good to come, to get us all on the same page using just good basic systems engineering. So this should be a review for most of you. Pay attention to the way the hardware process is acquisition process and development is done, and software. And there's some test questions and other questions that'll help you focus on that. Homework questions later on. The last part is NASA's V diagram. It's not just NASA, but I mean a discussion from the NASA handbook on V diagrams. So this course focuses on the right-hand side of the V diagram. After the system has been decomposed to levels where it can be designed, when you work back up the right-hand line there of the V diagram, you're doing, testing of subsystems, and you're integrating, putting those together, testing, integrating, testing, verifying, and finally you have your complete system. So, have fun with this first chapter. It'll provide a good overview. Next week we're going to look specifically at interface management issues, and then we'll look at hardware integration, software, bring them together, and then we'll go through a series of different scenarios that should give you a good feel for how to successfully integrate hardware and software in whatever you're doing. Thanks.